Passer Seats and Passer AS, as our headquarters in Norway, we are leading producer of cable handling equipment, supplying the products like reels, baskets, turntables, VLMs for the leading suppliers and the customers in the world. Deliveries in Europe, UK, Brazil, States, and so on.
Our welding seams needs a high quality level. Welding seams have to be tested by ultrasonically or radiographically. Warrior Edge really helps us to ensure the stable arc in the root process because the root gaps is not the same, not identical. We have in some places 4 millimeters, in some places 8 millimeters. After the root pass, we're using the speed process. It really helps to ensure the stable arc, eliminates the spatter, and easy to control the arc. As well, we are working with the aluminum, so Warrior Edge really helps to us to weld aluminum parts, and stainless steel as well. We can use the pulse. It's really helpful. Learning curve with the Edge is really short. It's really simple. It's easy to use. It's friendly for production. I'm proud that our products meet the high quality standards and the clients are really satisfied. In the production area, we are using long, about 50 meters hoses for the gases. So true flow helps us to save the gases and ensure the stable arc protection in the end. Wire heaters really help us to protect the corded wires, especially in the winter time when the temperature is below the 5 degrees and the humidity is really high.
ESAB is probably the leading company in the technology, which is great for us because we are trying to be the leaders as well. We feel that we have the great support here and we can always use the newest technology and techniques which help us to be efficient in welding.
We are working with ESAB in our company mainly about 15 years, and we are proud in our partnership. They are helping us, and mainly we're buying all machines in ESAB, and you can see in our production.